What's up guys, it's your boy Cardan Vibes and I'm here with another banger video. So in today's video I'm going to share with you my experience of how I gain a lot of views and go viral on TikTok while my wife and I break up in that time period. So as you know, my wife break up with me because of a prank I did on her, right? So I did a cheating prank on my wife and we break up basically. She didn't like the prank, she believed I was cheating and stuff like that. And also she found something in my phone, right? So some photos that put me in a bad position basically. So she decided to break up with me. In that time my wife is everything. My wife, I share everything with my wife, cook together, play together, sleep together, shower, we do almost everything. So to lose my wife means I lose some part of me basically. So I wasn't posting much on social media in terms of comedy and pranks. I mostly post like videos telling how I'm coping in the breakup, what I'm doing if I'm feeling stressed and stuff like that. Social media was the only thing that I could really express myself because my wife won't talk to me. If I call her, I won't get her, she will decline the call, right? If I texted her, she will leave me unseen, or if she do reply, she reply, you are a cheater and stuff like that. So I didn't have no one to really talk to basically. So social media was my little outing, right? So I would post videos how I overcome stress, my daily routine, updates, because sometimes I would text my wife and I would just vlog the whole experience and stuff like that because I'm a YouTuber, I need to provide content. So in that time, to keep me cheer up, I just produce content like daily updates and stuff like that. Then on TikTok, at that time I had like 5 followers basically. I was following like 3 persons and have 5 followers. I didn't have much. Each time I post on TikTok, I normally would have 2 views, 0 views, 10 views, 50 views on rare cases and stuff like that. So I didn't have a wide following on TikTok, but I was posting a lot basically because I was new to the whole TikTok thing. I normally post on Instagram, my Instagram story, Facebook, and my Facebook story. That's where I post a lot. But after my wife left, after we break up, right? After we break up, I posted a clip of the prank that causes us to break up. Or I'm not going to say that prank causes us to break up because we now know that it's not the prank that really caused her to break up. The prank contributed, but the real reason is because she found some photos in my phone that put me in a bad position basically. So those photos, it appears to be cheating on her, and you know females, if they find photos or any evidence that you are texting someone, if you are females don't like you around females basically. So if you have a wife, she don't like you around your female friends. I'm just telling you facts. Basically, if you have a female and your wife see you hugging and kissing and worse if that person is your grind. Oh no, don't have fun with your female friend in front of your wife. I'm telling you, learning from me. So basically those photos put me in a very compromising position and she called it split. So normally I would post on the social media, Instagram and Facebook, but on that particular day after the breakup, I posted a short clip. I will show you this clip of the video on TikTok. And basically I titled it We Broke Up. My wife and I break up. I titled that video My Wife and I Break Up because of this prank, right? And I didn't expect much. I didn't really expect. I just posted like I normally post on Facebook and Instagram, right? My wife and I break up over this prank and put a short clip of the prank on my TikTok, right? And also I believe I leave a link to my YouTube channel to watch the full video, so I just post normal. The video didn't do well in the first 5 hours. I was getting, on that particular video, within 5 hours, I was getting like 10 views. I wasn't really, it was okay, that's what I normally get. Then after 8 hours, my TikTok page was, each time I refresh, I was getting a ton of followers, and the views keep going up by 1,000 each time I refresh. So I refresh 1,000, refresh 2,000, refresh 3,000. My page was on fire. The views keep coming, the followers keep coming. Also, that contribute to one of my videos on my YouTube channel keep blowing up as well, right? And I was like, what? I upload another video in the same topic, using the same topic that I previously post on my update and how I'm coping, something like that. I'm gonna put the title of the exact video and also the video here. That video took off as well. Everything is like everything on my channel, my TikTok started taking off. I was having all the videos that currently have 0 views, 1 views, 2 views, now start 100,000 views, 100 views, 200 views, the videos that were 0, right? And everything from I start, from that day, every time I post, the videos just, I don't know why. And I realized one thing in all of that. So I use, when I first post the video, I use a hashtag like my wife break up with me, hashtag cheating, hashtag lonely, hashtag card cheating, hashtag my wife left me, hashtag we broke up, hashtag stuff like that basically. And those hashtags really do well for me. Also, one of the things that I learned is that videos that are catchy, so basically if I should insert a clip of this video that I'm currently doing on TikTok, that video probably won't do so well. The reason for this is because this video is like, I'm just basically talking, nothing excited and nothing fun is going on, so this video probably won't do well. But if I'm doing a video where screaming, a comedy skit or a prank skit or something that will catch the user attention on watching the video in the first 2 seconds of watching that video, then that video is likely to take off on TikTok. TikTok is, you want to grab your user attention or your viewer attention within 2 seconds or 5 seconds of they click on this video. So yeah, basically I blew up on TikTok. This is the video. And also, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. I will give you my breakup update, how I'm coping and stuff like that. Not sure if we are getting back together. Not sure if my wife will reach out back to me or stuff like that. But let's hope and pray and hope, right? But one good thing come out of this, I blew up on TikTok. I get a viral video on TikTok. My TikTok channel, I get a lot of subscribers. Well, that's a good way to look at it. You can't look at the cup half full. You have to look at it. No, you can't look at the cup half empty. You have to look at the cup half full. So yeah, if you're new to my YouTube, also my TikTok page link is there. You can really head over and give me your support. Give me a follow, I will follow you back. So follow me on TikTok at Cardan5TV. I will give you a follow back, and let's keep it going. I will, as I learn, I will share clips with others. So peace, I'm out. And before I go, I want to give a special shout out to NS Graphic Design. We do everything graphics. So if you are interested in any of the service that I'm going to show now, you can just reach out. The link to my social media and contact details will be in the description. So peace.